Next up, I will ask Camila to join me on stage. Her presentation title will be Immunity, a Battle of the Sexes. Her department is immunology. Her future career plans, including her career plan, it says, is to become an investigator and focus her research in the field of immunology, combining wet lab techniques with bioinformatics. Her hometown, her home country is Brazil. We welcome you, Camila Rosat Consiglio. Ready, set, pitch.
What if I told you women fight better than men? I'm talking about how men and women have differences in immune responses, and these differences can affect the development of diseases such as cancer, infections, and autoimmunity. But first, let me tell you how the immune system works. A healthy immune system is strong enough to fight infections and prevent the development of cancer, but not so strong that it can attack the body. Now, imagine that immune responses can be seen as a thermostat. If we turn it all the way down, immune responses would be weak and people would be more susceptible to infections and cancer. If we turn it all the way up to strong immune responses, then infections wouldn't be much of a problem, but autoimmunity could occur, where the immune system attacks and damages the body. Men are thought to be the strong sex, but when it comes to immune responses, men actually fall within this range of having weaker immune responses and develop more cancer and more infections than women. And women fall within the range of having too strong an immune response and develop more autoimmunity, like lupus. So we think that the hand that can turn up and down the immune response thermostat are sex hormones, which are found at different levels in men and women. One such hormone is testosterone, and it's highly produced in men and less so in women. It's that hormone that makes boys go through voice changes in adolescence. But then, how would testosterone also be influencing immune responses? That's what I'm trying to figure out in my PhD. I'm doing this by analyzing white blood cells, which are the fighter cells for the immune system that ensure proper immune responses against cancer and germs. And if you think about it, to ensure proper immune responses, these white blood cells have to be produced quickly and they should be able to fight well. We found that white blood cells that can respond to testosterone, like men do, are produced slowly. However, when we block the ability of these white blood cells to respond to testosterone, they start being produced more quickly. The more quickly they're produced, the sooner they can induce immune responses against cancer and infections. So this could be one of the reasons why men have weaker immune responses than women. So by identifying how sex hormones regulate the immune responses, we can use this knowledge to fine-tune the immune response thermostat. So if someone has autoimmunity, we can use testosterone to decrease the production of white blood cells and reduce unwanted immune responses. But if someone is fighting cancer or someone is fighting an infection, then it would be good to block testosterone action and increase the production of white blood cells to boost immune responses. So when it comes to infections and cancer, I would say fight like a girl. Thank you.
Thank you, Camila. I mentioned previously I have a bachelor's degree and I have additional schooling to get a meteorology certification. I could walk around most of the time being one of the smartest people in the room. This is not one of these occasions. It's a bit intimidating being in the presence of all of you and particularly the presenters as well.